Let's get it on.
You don't give a what, we don't give a what. Get it on the floor, get it on the floor. Get it on the floor, get it on the floor. You don't wanna party, then you gotta go. You don't wanna party, then you gotta go. And you can ride to this motherfucker, bounce to this motherfucker, freak to this motherfucker.
Let's get it on.
Get it on the floor, get it on the floor. Get it on the floor, get it on the floor.
Once again, it's the dark in me. Hit a spark in me. Pick apart in me. Cause the dog is bigger, under stress, doing less. You wanna get blessed to the chest. From the Smith and West, best. Pump put a hurt on it. Dump 6 motherfucker, beat the dirt on it. My hands stay dirty, cause I play dirty the mob way. You don't know? Find out the hard way. But the job is never done. I handle my business how it comes. And it's never been a one-on-one. There hasn't been a problem, I dissolve them like salt. Lock it up like a fall whenever records call. And it's my fault. Keep on point, ducking down. Like you need to get busted. Well, I extort to support my peeps. And hold down the fort, never get caught in the creeps. Come on!
Get it on the floor, get it on the floor. Get it on the floor, get it on the floor. You don't wanna party, then you gotta go. You don't wanna party, then you gotta go. And you can ride to this motherfucker, bounce to this motherfucker, freak to this motherfucker.
Let's get it on.
Get it on the floor, get it on the floor. Get it on the floor, get it on the floor.
I'm at the crossroads. Look, but I'm not really sure which way to go. Should I play the low for what I did the other day?